Hi guys, today we're gonna play mm2 and I'm gonna play with my cousin. Uy, murder. You black bald head backlog guy. And this is my cousin. Tangkad ko. Hindi niya ako makakatch. Dito sa vent. May vent. Oo. Uy. Gun? Kill him. Tino. Go. Oh no. It's just, what the heck? Oh, he's here. He's here. He's gonna kill me. Call 911. Nandito sa spot ko sa vent. Tatakbo ako. Uy, I'm too tall. Look, I'm there eh. I'm too tall. Please, hindi niya ako mahanap. He's such a dumb guy. I'm gonna just lay down para hindi niya ako makita. How to get through here? Oh!
Namatay ka?
Yeah. I died. He's inside that vent in the toilet. So spectate. He's here all waiting, camping.
Okay. Here?
Yeah. Go, you got this. Go. Uy, baril mo na yun. Oh! Rest in peace, my granny. Tigtahi, baba, bazuko. No, good boy ikaw. Pangalan niya, good boy ikaw. Pangalan niya.
I know.
Pangya akong skin, one lang, isa lang, any. You're just level 19?
Hindi. Ano na yan? Number 2. Ay, ano ko? First reborn.
I'm level 30.
But, is that your, ano? No, it's not your, ano? I know.
It's mommy's account. Mommy's account is my account na.
Yeah.
Ito na yung alt ko. Huy!
Ano ka?
Murder. Joke lang.
Ano nga?
Sheriff. No, just kidding. Ito. Oy, murder. Ikaw, nakita ko ang murder.
You're not...
What murder? I'm innocent. Uy, sino to? May nagugay. Yan. Bato mo. Go. Uy.
Uy, Sheriff, get the gun.
Okay.
Get the gun here sa loob.
Okay, son. Ito. Oh. Hindi ako makababa eh. Ayun.
Huwag mo kong papatayin. Wait lang.
Okay. You can kill me or ano. Should I shoot the innocent people? A person? What if I shoot myself? Ay, hindi gumagana. Mine is strawberry. Strawberry yung gun ko. Strawberry. The knife is cool, bro. Ang kunti lang
Look
natin.
at my power X-ray.
Eh? How?
I bought it.
I'm gonna shoot this black guy.
Hindi.
Dito, may black guy. Kung yari, sisave ko siya, tapos patayin mo kaming dalawa. Kung yari, I'm gonna save him. Dito, meron. Ayun, dito, si black guy. Siya lang yung tao dito eh. Kunti lang natin. Server hop tayo. 4 lang tayo. Dito, si Block Guy. Go. Patayin mo siya, patayin. Patayin. Patay.
Ay, sorry!
Patayin mo. Oh! Nakuha niya yung gun. Pagkatapos nito, server up tayo. Dapat 8. Join me. Ay, ikaw. Join me or join kita. Join
Nah, I'm
ako.
gonna play evade.
Ano yun? Yung dati?